Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to another folding bike video. In this episode, I'll be talking about traveling with the folding bike. So whether you're traveling by car, bus, train or airplane, a folding bike gives you the flexibility to explore new countries and cities and be a bit more of an independent traveler. Foldability is the obvious advantage to a folding bike. It allows you to travel on different modes of transport and carry the bike with you a lot more easier than a full-size bicycle. To fold the bike, we start by putting the seat down, folding the handlebars, and then folding the frame in the middle of the bicycle. You can also fold in the pedals on this bike, but I don't generally bother to do that. It makes it a lot easier to unfold it and then ride away. When traveling by aeroplane, I generally travel light with just my backpack, and I take the folding bike on as luggage. So the way I do that is to carry a tarpaulin that I also use for sleeping on, and a roll of packaging tape, and also some basic bike tools that I can use to take the bike apart into even smaller pieces and pack in the tarpaulin. I use packaging tape to wrap up the bundle, and that becomes my luggage allowance when flying on international flights. When traveling by aeroplane, you'll be restricted to the amount of luggage that you can take. Generally it's about 20 kilos, so you want to make sure that you come in underweight with that. For that reason I carry this little digital scales so that I can weigh the bike before I pack it. This bike weighs under 12 kilos, so within your luggage allowance you can also pack more things within the bundle. I also like to pack tools and a knife in my checked luggage because you can't take tools or a knife in your carry-on luggage. Don't try it, they will take them off you. When traveling on city buses in most countries, you're allowed to take a folding bike as long as you fold it up. The same thing goes for traveling on trains through most of Europe. You can take a folding bike without having to pay extra. However, if you're in Japan, you will need to take a bag to pack your folding bike into if you're going to go on a train. You can get a folding bike bag like this pretty easily. This one's homemade. If you're planning a trip by international coach, do make sure that you check the coach company's terms and conditions. If they will not let you travel with a bicycle, then using my method for packing for air travel will allow you to get it on the coach. Just don't tell them it's a bicycle. Eurolines in Europe, I know that they have it in their terms and conditions, no bikes. However, I have traveled with them using this method before, so it does work. One of my favorite reasons for traveling with the folding bike is having the ability to go camping. The addition of a simple dome tent to the bike means that you can ride to the outskirts of cities and pitch a tent and go wild camping. That means that you can travel further for free. A dome tent like this doesn't weigh very much, so you can easily pack it within your luggage allowance. It will allow you the flexibility to go wild camping or stay at campsites, which will save you a heap of money on your cycle tour. You can also use the tent instead of the tarpaulin to pack your bike for air travel. Just lay the tent out on the ground, tape the poles to the frame, and then tape up the bundle with packaging tape. And there's your luggage allowance for your international flight. Those are my top tips for traveling with folding bicycles. If you like this video, please subscribe, check out my other videos on my channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.